I have arrived. I cannot wait to get in there. If you guys remember, a while back, maybe a month or two ago, I went to this antique mall and I ended up spending like $500 and 4.5 hours, which for me is like really hard to do. I have gone back and I'm so excited. So let's go in. I have 3.5 hours to shop, which anywhere else I would be like, that's way too much time for me because I'm usually in and out. However, this place is different. Well, I'm gonna start on the top and work my way down. So first things first. Oh, that's so locked. Dang, that's gonna be a whole thing. I'm gonna need to get in here. I see a lot of Bakelite and it's all 30% off. I'm gonna have to do, oh my gosh, and polka dots. Yeah, okay, I need to get in this case. In the meantime, I think I'm gonna start with this one, okay? Because this one is not locked. This is the first thing that pops out to me. 19, that is very cool. 30%. I'm gonna have to do some math on that. Look at this one. That's neat too. I kind of like that pukey color. Oh, another vintage. 19. That's, I'm supposed to be looking for resale. I'm looking for both technically. What about this celluloid cut one? The clamper bracelet. I wish it was different colors. 20. That's a really good price, but oh my gosh, whatever this is that just appeared with the black rhinestones, thank you. Look at this one. I don't see a price tag on it though. I probably just dropped off that thing. Dang. I'm gonna see if I can find it. Okay, daisies. Flamingos. I was upset I left the flamingos last time. That beaded flower. Okay, yeah, there's all kinds of stuff in here. Look at this one. So unfortunately, these two are too expensive at, oh my gosh, look at the cow. At $27 a pop, even with the discount. Now, the black and white one is pretty epic. I'm gonna do the math on that. I'm gonna pull that. Let's see what else is in this pile. This one is 11. Sweet. I'm not crazy about the size of it though, especially considering the ones I've found recently. The flamingo. Okay, here we go. This is awesome with the flamingo Christmas tree, $8. That is so funny. I cannot believe I left these last time. I was so upset. I'm gonna pull both those. See what else we can find in this case. What's this say? Sparkle, okay. We can live without sparkle. Well, we can't live without sparkle. We can live without that says sparkle. Yeah, a lot of fun stuff. What is this? That's really fun. The butterfly. What's this? Oh, now that one I really want, but unfortunately, it doesn't have a tag. Yeah, that stinks. That's the worst. Let's see. This one's interesting. That one's at 18 though. That's a little steep for me. This one is 8. And this one we already pulled. I think we're nearing the end of our... Yeah, and we looked at that. Nope, we didn't look at that because that's a good one. What about these guys? Nothing in that pile. I'm still really into this. This is a really cool bracelet. I'm gonna see. I'm gonna add up some of the stuff. I need to get these flamingos. Don't let me leave these here. 8 with 30% off. All right, so these are the ones I ended up picking out. 12, 11, 9.50. This one was 14, but the black and white I couldn't resist. And I'm not leaving without this for like 15 bucks or whatever it is. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with it, but it's coming with us. Except I also just noticed that this cool cylinder one is only $6.50. So it's kind of a weird color. Yeah, I'm gonna think about it. I have to come back anyway because I have to get in that case. Look at these earrings. Oh my gosh. And I just realized how weird it would be to leave this one. It's only $8 and 30%. It just has that one little speck, which was why I was a little hesitant. This one's $11. It's got a little bit of a condition issue on it. This butterfly, I've been finding these at Emmitsburg. That one doesn't even have a price. Yeah, I'm gonna take this one too. And then I'm gonna keep wandering until I find somebody who can open this one for me. Yeah, there's a lot in here I wanna get. In the meantime, what's happening over here? Little Joseph Originals owl. He's cute. 20 bucks. Yeah, I remember this booth was pretty close to the money. They got the Norcrest owls over here. 25. Whoa. Lighter? What? Hold on. This is definitely one of the more unique things I've seen. After the discount, it comes to like $16 and some change. It's very strange. I'm not sure about it, but it's so weird, and the shape and the lucite and everything for $16 makes me say I need to get this. I also love this bag, but 27 is a little bit more than I'd like to spend. Yeah, this is very, very unique, to say the least. And this blue glass slanted, that's neat. I really like that. $16, I feel like that's a really good price. I'm not an expert, but what? Oh, I thought it said cigar. It says sugar. I'm not sure where my head was at with that. This red bracelet. Look at that little Bakelite hat pin. Union key is bad over here. There's all kinds of stuff trapped in here, man. It's like a time capsule. Look at this rabbit planter. Oh my gosh, that's a fantastic one. I've never even seen that before. What's happening here? Small heart box. Oh my gosh. Firm. Okay, hold on though. These are fantastic. $6.50. Oh, I don't want to let that go. I don't even know if that's the thing. Sometimes everyone's like, how do you not keep everything? And I'll tell you what, it's because it's been a long time since I kept something until recently. And now I'm on a kick. These are very cool. This one with the little plastic flowers, I'm going to get. The other ones are missing their plastic flowers. I still really love that perfume bottle for a collector. Wait until you see the epic jewelry haul I did. I can't even begin to tell you how awesome the stuff I found was. James Dean mugs. Oh, little piggy bank. So cute. Oh, 35. Not that cute. But there's more. Brooch on brass. It's not exactly what I thought it was. I got this green lucite necklace. I have a fear that I'm gonna end up keeping half the jewelry I bought. I'm gonna have to do a haul video on this one, just because I'm gonna have to talk through myself what I am and am not going to keep, because I bought a lot of stuff that was really my style. This is very cute, but I'm gonna leave them for $7. I just had the thought, it's looking like my next whatnot sale is gonna be stuff from my own personal collection, so I have room for some of all this. Some or all of this, I should say. So some people asked me how much these lamps were last time. They were actually a lot more reasonable than I thought they were. This one's $125, which I honestly would buy for myself. And I cannot read what the tiger says. The tag's turned around. It's epic though. More of the Fenton shoes. Is this one? I don't know if this one's Fenton actually. The ones I bought here last time were, this might be Westmoreland, and I think it's cracked actually. McDonald's. Interesting. I've never seen that brand before. This is very pretty. It's missing its stopper though. It would make a good vase. I would get it as a vase if it was a little bit less. I like the color on this. 26. Very reasonable in here. I'm not seeing a lot kitschy stuff. I feel like I found more kitsch last time. What are these? Are these newer? Made in China. Yeah, those are hilarious though. Well, I've stopped beating myself up about the jewelry situation because I just realized even if I decide to keep it for a while, I can always resell. So it's not that serious. This is very cool. $6. Is that a huge crack though? Yeah, it's a big crack on it. Dang, that stinks because I really like that. Yeah, that crack goes all the way around. I can't do that. What about this little bud vase? That's very sweet. That one's $6 too. What are they calling it? Vase holder. $6. Why not? You know what, the more I look at it, the more I'm kind of like meh about it. It's very nice, but I found such crazy stuff today that I'm a little underwhelmed by it. This is German. That's nice. Ooh, what about you? You've got a dented cheek, unfortunately. 18. Can't do that. I love all this Art Deco glass. All right, this is it. This is the booth I really wanted to go to. It's not cheap, but I have been thinking about this booth for 2 years since the first time I came here. Look at this photo frame. All right, let's start at the beginning and work our way over. And look at that celluloid 95 firm. That pin, the half doll. Let's go down here. I love the rhinestone purse. Wow. All the pinup girl stuff, the lipstick. Tea towel is 10. I looked at that before. This, I'm pretty sure, is very expensive. And 65D. Hair fans are spectacular. This one's 125. Oh my gosh, so much stuff I love. Oh! The wallet clips, 50. I love that. Keychains, $10 each. The bunny calendar, I did look at. It was a lot, if I remember correctly. The first time I was here, actually. The first time I was here, before I did YouTube, I freaked out in here. Let's see, what else can... Oh my gosh. See? Even if you can't buy it, you need to see it, because I can't buy it. It's too expensive for me, but you know what? It's completely fair, because this is quite the assemblage of unique items. Like, look at this flower frog. That's actually not a bad price at all. Wow. I'm kind of scared of her, though, because she's very fragile, and she's made it this long. I don't need to be taking her on the road with me. This tulle skirt, fantastic. What is happening here? Pot holders. Oh, what is this, cherries? A little cherry capelet. That's fun. Hold on, let me fix this. I love these handkerchiefs. Oh wow, that's gorgeous. $40. What about in here? And I just pulled out this little heart pin. Yeah, for $2, I'm gonna grab that. That's so cute. It's an older one too. I came back to this booth. I just had to get a better look. Look at that tote bag with the legs. Fantastic. This case has some really interesting stuff in it. I ended up picking up this strange plastic jointed doll. She's only $3. She's marked Italy. And I love that she's got her red shoes and she's fully jointed. For $3, I'll take it. I remember this booth. Just had some wild dolls in it, and they were all really, really fairly priced, to say the least. What is this? Joyce? Oh my gosh. Playmates. Wait, I don't know this one, and she's got original packaging. I love these toy booths that are half new, half old, because you really never know what you're gonna find when you're going through here. I kind of love the current hat. Oh my gosh, I used to be obsessed with these when I was a kid. I had so many, like so many. And I remember this booth. We got some great stuff in here. Let's let's see, 30% off items over 1001. I feel like, if I remember correctly, nothing we bought was over 1001. It was also inexpensive already. What's this? Huh. Well, I'm so far not really seeing anything that quite competes with what we got here last time. Got the purple flower brooch. $6. I do believe we'll be taking that. I have to know how much the squirrel planter is. This looks like Norcrest. It is same chips. I don't understand. Let's see. How chipped is it? Can't be chipped enough to not get for $6 after seeing that. Some chips. Oh, I see. Oh, but you can barely tell. For $6 I'm gonna get it because it's so cute. Good grief, look at all this Vaseline glass. Oh my gosh, look at that one. It's expensive, but it's amazing. $415, whoa, I've never seen that one. What is this cute little thing? It's like a business card holder or something. $8.50. That's a little bit much, I think, for resale, but it's very cute. I could like hear people yelling. How much was the bird pin cushion? Japan. $7. People have been asking for pin cushions. I should probably pick this up. Yeah, I'm gonna get that. Let's see. Cute, but yeah, I'm not so sure about $8.50. Here's some hand-painted ones. These are Fenton. How much are they though? $12.50. No discount though. It's a little bit too much. It's pretty close. I think mine sold for like $17, so after fees and such. Then here's a what is this? Westmoreland? Yeah, Westmoreland Heart 17 firm. The shell purse, $8. I need to get in that case. Let's see if there's anything else. A little gold one, so cute. I mean, these are amazing, and the prices are really well actually. 20. I got a rhinestone flower pin, vintage, in that case. Oh, look at these guys. Oh, cool. How much are these? These are neat candle rings. $8.50. Oh, dang, it's really cracked. I wish it wasn't. I could still probably get away with it, but not for that price. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get the little shell purses. Those are really interesting. And they're usually expensive. And I love these little children's cat hangers. Oh my gosh, $5. What? Sold. Are they all $5? Yes. I'm gonna get that one and the little Yorkie. Oh my gosh, so cute. Let me get all those. Those are been getting harder to find for me. I used to get them all the time. Well, while I was waiting for the key, I also saw this epic lucite paperweight I almost missed for $7. And what is this? Oh my gosh. Vintage floral bouquet, $14. Wow, that is amazing. Gorgeous. I think I'm gonna pay up for that. Yeah, so I did get both of them. Those are gorgeous. I am actually surprisingly shopped out, I think, and I'm gonna check out. Well, $376 later, I'm out of there. I actually think I did very well. I'm very excited about a lot of the things I bought. It's gonna be hard to get rid of some of them, and some of them I might honestly keep for a little bit. In the meantime, I'm gonna get in the car. I think I'm gonna head home. I don't know if I have another stop in me, but I kind of want to call it. It's late. So I'll see you guys tomorrow.